Bonjour, I'm Terrell Chapel, land steward and co-founder of Virsoleil, speaking to you from the southwest of France in the Dordogne region, where my wife arrived 2.5 years ago to begin this restoration project. And some of our challenges have been really dry, rocky, depleted soil and ever increasing hot summers and cold winters. So we've had to start thinking about how to plan and design for those extremes. Some of our strategies for restoration have included adding a pond to collect, store rainwater, which also provides wonderful habitat. The birds have just loved it. And we've also been planting indigenous trees and lavender to start to create viable crops. We've also spent a good bit of time restoring our old barn to make it a usable space for groups and other activities such as harvesting and preparing our crops now in the future. We've also got several beehives and a greenhouse and endless projects. So we invite you to come join us anytime and hope to see you soon. A bientôt.